Hello students. As you know, we have been doing Far from the Madding Crowd written by Thomas Hardy. This is a novel written by Thomas Hardy. We have been doing this novel for the last 4-5 days. Today, I will discuss the characters of Far from the Madding Crowd. There are so many characters in this novel, but we will discuss the main characters of the novel. First of all, there is a hero of the novel, that is Gabriel Oak. He is the novel's hero. Gabriel Oak is a farmer, shepherd, and marked by his humble and honest ways. His exceptional skill with animals and farming. बहुत स्किलफुल है गैब्रियल ऑक फार्मिंग में और एनिमल्स को पहचानने में. ही इज़ वेरी स्किलफुल और वो नॉवल का हीरो भी है. ही इज़ एन अनपैरेलल्ड लॉयल्टी. ही इज़ बादशीबाज फर्स्ट सूटर. बादशीबा जो हीरोइन है इस नॉवल की, उसका सबसे पहला प्रेमी कौन है? गैब्रियल ऑक. लेटर he on her farm and finally her husband. At the very end of the novel, Gabriel is characterized by an incredible ability to read the natural world and control it without fighting against it. He occupies the position of quiet observer throughout most of the book. वो ऑब्जर्व करता रहता है चीज़ों को. थ्रू आउट द बुक, थ्रू आउट द नॉवल ऑब्जर्व करता है. पोजीशन ऑफ क्वाइट ऑब्जर्वर, शांत और ऑब्जर्व करने वाला. Yet he knows just when to step in to save Bathsheba and others from catastrophe. लेकिन वो समय समय पर ये सब चीज़ें जानता है कि बादशीबा, who is the heroine of this novel, उसको कैसे बचाया जाए, किसी भी बुरी स्थिति से बादशीबा या दूसरे लोगों को कैसे बचाए. नेक्स्ट, the heroine of the novel, Bathsheba Everdeen. She is the beautiful young woman at the center of the novel who must choose among the three very different suitors. तीन उसके प्रेमी हैं, suitors हैं. She is the protagonist, propelling the plot through her interaction with her various suitors. At the beginning of the novel, she is penniless. जब नॉवल की शुरुआत हुई तो उसके पास कुछ भी नहीं था. बट शी क्विकली इनहेरिट्स एंड लर्न्स टू रन अ फार्म इन वेदरबरी, where most of the novel takes place. Her first characteristic that we learn about is her vanity. बाद में वो वेदरबरी में एक फार्म को चलाने लगी. उसको अपने अंकल की जो प्रॉपर्टी थी वो इनहेरिट की उसने और वो एक फार्म की मालकिन बन गई. सबसे पहले उसकी जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है, कैरेक्टर की जो विशेषता है वो क्या है? हर वेनिटी. वेनिटी मैंने उसका प्राइड, उसमें गर्व है अपनी ब्यूटी को लेकर, अपने वेल्थ को लेकर. एंड हार्डी द नॉवेलिस्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअली शोज हर टू बी रैश एंड इम्पल्सिव. और समय समय पर वो रैश और इम्पल्सिव भी हो जाती है. हाउएवर, नॉट ओनली इज शी इंडिपेंडेंट इन स्पिरिट, शी इज इंडिपेंडेंट financially. This allows Hardy to use her character to explore the danger that such a woman faces of losing her identity and lifestyle through marriage. Next character we see Sergeant Francis Troy, the novel's antagonist. Troy is a less responsible male equivalent to Bathsheba. He is handsome, vain, young and irresponsible है वो, though he is capable of love. Early in the novel, he is involved with Fanny Robin. Fanny Robin में इन्वॉल्व होता है वो शुरुआत में नॉवल के. एट फर्स्ट ही प्लान्स टू मैरी हर, बट व्हेन दे मिसकम्युनिकेट अबाउट विच चर्च टू मीट एट, he angrily refuses to marry her and she is ruined. और वो गुस्सा हो जाता है फैनी रॉबिन से। कोई उनमें मिसकम्युनिकेशन हो जाता है और वो उसको छोड़ करके चला जाता है और रिफ्यूज़ कर देता है उसको मैरिज करने से, और वो बर्बाद हो जाती है। ही फॉरगेट्स हर एंड मैरीज द रिच ब्यूटीफुल बादशीबा। उसके बाद वो उसको भूल करके बादशीबा से शादी कर लेता है, जो कि बादशीबा इज़ वेरी रिच, शी इज़ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। When Fanny dies of poverty and exhaustion later in the novel with his cousin in her arms, he cannot forgive himself. Next character comes William Boldwood, Bathsheba's second suitor and the owner of a nearby farm. सेकेंड suitor, दूसरा प्रेमी है बाथशीबा का कौन? विलियम बोल्टवुड। फर्स्ट कौन था? ट्रॉय, सर्जेंट ट्रॉय। सेकेंड William Boldwood. Boldwood, as his name suggests, is a somewhat wooden, reserved man. He seems unable to fall in love until Bathsheba sends him a valentine on a whim, and suddenly he develops feelings for her. Once he is convinced he loves her, he refuses to give up his pursuit of her, and he is no longer rational. Ultimately, he becomes crazy with obsession, shoots Troy at his Christmas party, and is condemned to death. वो ट्रॉय को शूट कर देता है क्रिसमस पार्टी में। His sentence is changed to life imprisonment at the last minute. बाद में उसका जो सेंटेंस टू डेथ है उसकी लाइफ इम्प्रिजनमेंट में चेंज हो जाती है। नेक्स्ट फैनी रॉबिन। Fanny Robin, she is a young orphaned servant girl at the farm who runs away the night Gabriel arrives, attempts to marry Sergeant Troy, and finally dies giving birth to his child at the poor house in Casterbridge. She is a foil to Bathsheba, showing the fate of women who are not well cared for in his society. सो जो फैनी रॉबिन है वो शी इज फॉयल टू बादशीबा, बादशीबा के फॉयल है वो। और वो क्या है, ऐसी जो वो लड़की है दे फैनी रॉबिन, शी इज अ फॉयल टू बादशीबा एंड द फेट ऑफ वुमेन दैट who are not well cared for in this society. Then Liddy Smallbury. Next character is Liddy Smallbury. So Liddy Smallbury, Bathsheba's maid and confidant, of about the same age as Bathsheba. Next, Jan Coggan, so farm laborer and friend to Gabriel Oak. Next character is Joseph Poorgrass. Joseph Poorgrass is a shy and timid farm laborer who blushes easily. Poorgrass carries Fanny's coffin from Casterbridge back to the farm for burial. एक पुअर फार्म लेबरर है जोसेफ पोरग्रास। Kenny Ball. Kenny Ball is a young boy who works as Gabriel Oak's assistant shepherd on the Aberdeen farm. वो असिस्टेंट है, यंग बॉय है कैनी बॉल गैब्रियल ऑक का, ही इज एन असिस्टेंट। फिर है पेनीवेज, आफ्टर दैट द कैरेक्टर पेनीवेज। The bailiff on Bathsheba's farm, who is caught stealing grain and dismissed. She is stealing. Who is stealing grain and she was and dismissed. Pennyways was a boy, young boy, and he was caught when he was stealing grains and he was dismissed. He disappears for most of the novel until he recognizes Troy at Greenhill Fair and helps Troy surprise Bathsheba at Boldwood's Christmas party. So these are the main characters and there are Many minor characters are also in the novel we have discussed. Thank you.